Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So let me teach you all about black holes. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Formed primarily from the collapse of massive stars, a black hole consists of a singularity, which is a point of infinite density surrounded by an event horizon, a boundary from which escape is impossible. Although invisible, black holes can be detected by their powerful gravitational effects on nearby matter and light. This video explains what a black hole is in simple terms, but we're not gonna watch this video because we're a pro. What is a black hole? The intense gravity. Chapter 1: Intense gravity. A black hole is the defining characteristic is A black hole's defining characteristic is its extreme gravity, so strong that it traps anything that gets too close, even sound. Well, maybe. We'll Google that later. Event horizon. This is the invisible boundary around a black hole. Once an object crosses the event horizon, it cannot escape because the required escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. This is something that goes faster than light, shadows. But sound goes slower. Singularity. At the center of a black hole lies the singularity, a point where all the black hole's mass is concentrated into an infinitesimally small volume with infinite density. This is chapter 2 and chapter 3. Chapter 4. Stellar collapse. How black holes form. Part 1. Stellar collapse. Black holes are often formed from the death of massive stars. Part 2. Supernova. When a massive star runs out of fuel, its core collapses, triggering a supernova explosion that blasts away the star's outer layers. This is a supernova. Dense remnants. If the remaining core is massive enough, its gravity overwhelms all of the forces, leading to its collapse into a singularity and the formation of a black hole. But first, let's learn a little bit about event horizon, the event horizon, singularity, and supernova. A supernova is the powerful explosion of a star at the end of its life, resulting from either the core collapse of a massive star or the mononuclear runaway of a white dwarf. These colossal events briefly outshine entire galaxies and are crucial for creating and distributing the heavy elements from new stars, planets, and even life. Event horizon. There is a movie about this. An event horizon is a boundary or an imaginary line beyond which events that happen cannot affect you and therefore cannot be seen by you. This could be because the light literally cannot get to you, as is the case with the event horizon of a black hole. Singularity. Singularity has two primary meanings. Number one, the technological singularity, a hypothetical future point where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, leading to uncontrollable and unforeseeable changes for a human civilization. And two, a mathematical or physical singularity, a point where a mathematical function or a physical phenomenon, such as within a black hole, becomes undefined or infinite. Chapter 5: Detecting Black Holes. Part 1: Indirect Observations. Because black holes do not emit light, they are invisible. However, astronomers can detect them by observing their gravitational influence on surrounding stars and gas. Accretion disks. Matter drawn into a black hole, forming a swirling disk called an accretion disk. The intense gravity heats this material to extreme temperatures, causing it to emit X-rays and other radiation that can be observed by telescopes. Gravitational lensing. The strong gravity of a black hole can also bend the light from background objects, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. Part 2 and Part 3. Chapter 6: Types of Black Holes. But first, let's talk about, white holes and wormholes. A wormhole is two black holes, and a white hole is basically an anti-black hole. Right. Let me think of something. Okay, there was no use for that. Number 1. Stellar black holes. These form from the collapse of individual massive stars and can have masses several times than our sun. And number 2, supermassive black holes, found at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, which is the Milky Way galaxy. But this is Sagittarius A star. I don't know what that is. It was. These behemoths can have millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun. So, you know what time it is. What many people have been waiting for. Can a black hole can a black hole sound. No, a black hole cannot directly pull sound because sound is a pressure wave that needs a medium to travel, and space is a near perfect vacuum. However, black holes can generate sounds like phenomena indirectly by disturbing surrounding gas and creating gravitational waves, which can then be translated into audible sounds through a process called sonification. So, let me say it one more time. In short, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes have a singularity inside them and black holes protect their singularity, protect us from evil singularities with their event horizons. They have intense gravity, and they are formed by stellar collapses, supernovas, and dense remnants. You can detect black holes by indirect observation, accretion disks, and gravitational lensing. There are only two types of black holes: stellar black holes and supermassive black holes. You can watch some videos to learn about black holes. But okay guys, that's the end of the video. Until next time, it's me, Winner Vegetable. See you later.